are you scared?
Why are you scared? There's no problem.
You think he's a big force in the
No, I don't want to discuss Peter Obi in any kind.
Are you afraid to discuss Peter Obi because you know that he's a big political force?
Listen to me. I can discuss Tinubu. He's the leader of my party. I'm not a member of Labour Party. Politics, but I don't want to discuss Peter Obi.
Did he offend you?
No.
Or you are just afraid? Because you are the one who said, according to you, this is what you said. You said that your party, APC, not afraid of opposition coalition.
Well,
so why are you afraid to talk about Peter Obi?
Because I don't want to discuss.
What if the most powerful man in Nigeria is actually afraid? Not afraid of war or protest, but afraid of one thing: a free and fair election. Recently, at an obedient movement event, Peter Obi stood before a roaring crowd and asked President Bola Ahmed Tinubu one direct question: why are you scared? That question is still echoing across Nigeria, and today we are going to break it down calmly, carefully, and honestly. Before we continue, if you believe Nigeria deserves better politics, better leadership, and better elections, please like this video, subscribe to this channel, and share your thoughts in the comment section. Now, let's continue. If you remember the Peter Obi of 2023, you will notice something. He was calm, polite, and respectful, even when people insulted him, when they called him names. When the election process became controversial, he smiled and went to court. He accepted the judgment. But 2027, Peter Obi is now a different man, not the same man as that of 2023. He is now bold, direct. He's not whispering anymore. He is asking hard questions publicly. He is calling the president by name. He is challenging the system openly. Why? Because something changed. After 2023 election, many Nigerians believe that election was deeply flawed. The promised real-time transmission did not happen smoothly. There were technical failures, glitches, and there were disputes. There were court battles and many more. And even though the Supreme Court affirmed Tinubu's victory, millions of Nigerians still feel unconvinced. That doubt never disappeared. It only went quiet. Now it is rising again. Let us look at the political reality. The ruling APC controls about 30 of 36 state governors right now. The Senate is under them, the House of Representatives, federal power, security agencies, and government media. That is massive power and massive strength. In politics, that kind of structure is almost unbeatable. So here is the question: if you control almost everything, why fight against stronger transparency? Why are you resisting real-time electronic transmission of results from polling units? Why are you blocking deeper electoral reform? If you are confident and you believe that you are popular, wouldn't you want the whole world to watch you win clearly? This is the question Peter Obi is pushing out to Bola Ahmed Tinubu, and many Nigerians are quietly asking the same question. Let's be fair. Incumbency is powerful. Everybody knows. As President Bola Ahmed Tinubu can commission projects, make national announcements, control appointments, influence political alignment, and shape national narratives. In many democracies, that alone is enough to win re-election. So if that is true, why does it look like the system is uncomfortable with full transparency? If Tinubu truly believes Nigerians are happy with his leadership, why not allow the most transparent election Nigeria has ever seen? Why not prove critics wrong once and for all? That is the heart of this conversation. Before we go deeper, let me say this. If you are still watching at this point, you care about Nigeria's future. So please like this video, subscribe if you haven't, and comment below your thoughts. Do you believe 2027 will be free and fair? Yes or no? Let us see your comments in the comment section. There is one name that always comes up in conversations like this: former President Goodluck Jonathan. In 2015, Jonathan lost the election and he conceded. That single phone call congratulating Muhammadu Buhari changed Nigeria's democracy history. He could have fought, he could have resisted, he could have given different kind of options. And today, history remembers that moment. Now, President Tinubu has a similar opportunity in 2027. He can guarantee the most transparent election ever. He can introduce diaspora voting. He can strengthen technology. He can invite observers. If he wins fairly, no one can question his legitimacy again. But if transparency keeps being resisted, doubt will grow louder. Nigeria today is not Nigeria of 2023. The economy is harder. Inflation is very high. The naira has struggled. Fuel subsidy has been removed and brought serious pain on Nigerian people. Many are tired, and when people are economically frustrated, elections become emotional. That is why 2027 is not just another election. It is a referendum of leadership. Peter Obi is positioning himself as the voice of that frustration. Tinubu is defending his record as president. This will not be a small battle. Let us be balanced. Maybe it is not fair. Maybe it is strategy. APC believes controlling the process guarantees stability. Maybe they fear chaos. But here is the problem. When transparency is resisted, suspicious grow. And suspicious fuel movements. That is exactly what is strengthening the obedient movement and the village boys movement. So we return to the simple question Peter Obi asked, why are you scared? Why are you afraid? If Tinubu believes he won fairly in 2023, if he believes Nigeria still supports him, if he believes his reforms are working, then 2027 is his opportunity to prove it clearly. When with transparency, no controversy, and without doubt, because in the end, this is bigger than Tinubu, it is bigger than Obi, it is about Nigeria democracy. Will 2027 strengthen it or weaken it? History is watching, Nigerians are watching, and you are watching too. Drop your thoughts in the comment section. Do you believe 2027 will be free and fair? Do you believe in Nigeria history, or are we heading for another controversy? Like, subscribe to this channel, and share this video with other Nigerians, because the conversation is just getting started. Thanks for watching, and I will see you in my next video. Bye bye.